Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dark and Darker error code 5. The error reads, "An error has occurred." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game. According to our research, this error can be caused by background programs, connected USB devices, specific running processes, missing admin rights, or corrupted game files. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close all open programs and remove any external USB devices like Xbox controllers or USB dongles. Do not remove your keyboard, mouse, or Bluetooth receiver. After that, shut down your PC and wait until all lights and fans are off. Then wait for 30 seconds to a minute, then turn the device back on. Once it's on, open the launcher and try loading the game. If the error still comes, then open Task Manager and find a process named Tavern Worker. Then right-click on it and select End Task. Then try starting the game again and check for the error. If the error still persists, try running the game as an administrator. To do this, right-click on the game launcher and select Run as Administrator. Then see if the error still comes. If the error continues, then verify the game files. Simply use your game launcher's built-in feature to check and repair any missing or corrupt files. After that, try launching the game and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists and you are playing on a Steam Deck, then try turning off any programs like Proton. Simply disable such tools and then check if the error still comes. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.